My name's Darren Darling. I'm the Global Brand Ambassador for JLM Lubricants, and I'm here today to talk about the new JLM emission reduction treatment. Now, when we're saying new, we've had a rebrand. It is the same fantastic formula that was used in the catalytic exhaust cleaner, but this is now easier to understand and easier to pick out when you need to use it. So this is a fantastic pre-MOT treatment. So I'm just about to use it in this 2015 Mini Countryman 2-litre diesel. It's had lots of short journeys and it is due its annual MOT inspection. So how does this work? So the good thing is this can be used in a lower quantity of fuel, so anything down to about 20 litres. So I have 25 to 30 litres of fuel in the tank. This is going to give it a real quick cleanup because of the cetane booster. So there's a high level of cetane booster in here, which starts working immediately once that's made its way through the fuel system. So it means you immediately have a cleaner burn while the rest of the active ingredients are doing our work to sort of break down carbon and clean up the emissions system. So real quick result on that first initial road test. So we'll put this in, give the car a 20-minute road test, then after that we'll fill the tank up and allow this product to do the rest of its work. So where other products do require a full tank of fuel, you should always read the label, and it will tell you on there that you can use it with anywhere between 20 litres and a full tank of fuel. So nice quick cleanup before it goes through its MOT. The good thing is this also has other benefits where it promotes DPF regeneration as well, you know, so it's a great preventative measure to use throughout the year. We currently use it sort of every second or third tank during the pandemic, but in normal driving conditions, every sort of 3,000 to 5,000 miles is ideal. So same great formula. New name to make it easier to understand for you guys. So for more information, visit our website jlmlubricants.com. Don't forget to give this video a like and follow our YouTube channel at JLM Lubricants. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.